Hey, it's Noe with WTI. And if you're looking to step up your game with the way you take care of your hair, then check out this Ionic hair blow dryer from JTXCLUSIVES. It will blow you away. It's lightweight and very easy to handle. Oftentimes when you're blow drying your hair, after a while, that machine can get heavy. Not with this one. This is absolutely a breeze to use. One of my favorite things is that it comes with 4 different attachments. They're all magnetic and clip into place. And another neat feature is that they rotate 360 degrees. So whatever angle you're trying to get, you'll be able to achieve that. Since I've been using this blow dryer, I've noticed that my hair is much shinier and also looks healthier. It's not as frizzy, and I absolutely love the results. Before this Ionic blow dryer, it would take me almost an hour to blow dry my hair. I have noticed that it has cut my drying time in half, which is a huge time saver for me. Another amazing feature for every person is this long cord. I hate it when you have something that has a short cord and you're not able to extend it as far. Not with JTXCLUSIVES. It is amazing. It's very easy to use. To power on, simply hold the power button down for 1 second and it will power on. So if you're looking to upgrade your blow dryer and want something that's powerful, lightweight, comes with multiple attachments, and is easy to use, then I cannot recommend enough this Ionic hair blow dryer from JTXCLUSIVES. And that's my point of view.